Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Clay Bars is probably one of the most underappreciated detailing tools, offering a unique way to decontaminate your car's paint before polishing or waxing, removing embedded contaminants like industrial fallout, tree sap, and rail dust that regular washing can't touch, leaving your car's surface silky smooth and perfectly prepped for the next steps of your detailing process. Number 5. Chemical Guys CLY_KIT_2. It effectively removes stubborn contaminants like paint overspray, brake dust, tree sap, and pollution. This safely decontaminates your vehicle, leaving it cleaner than ever before. It helps achieve a glass-smooth feeling on your vehicle's glossy surfaces. This restores the smoothness of your paint, making it feel as good as it looks. It's ideal for cars exposed to the elements regularly or older vehicles needing deep decontamination. This effectively cleans and smooths surfaces, restoring paintwork to its original condition. It comes with clay lubricant, ensuring it glides smoothly across the surface without scratching. The synthetic lubricant prevents damage and provides a smooth, safe experience. Give the car enthusiast in your life the ultimate gift this holiday season. It's a thoughtful present and a perfect addition to any car care collection. What we like. It deeply cleanses and leaves a smooth finish. The medium-duty formula is perfect if your car is regularly exposed to the elements. If you need a thorough clean for a car that's seen better days, this is the kit for you. What people say. The clay is the perfect composition, easy enough to work, but it does not break up or disintegrate even with aggressively working at my windshield. After taking delivery of my new vehicle, I expected there to be some amount of rail dust and other contamination from the shipping process. I wasn't wrong and this worked wonders. This made quick work on a big 3-4 ton truck. Number 4. Chemical Guys CLY_113 Kit. It creates an ultra-slippery surface for your clay bar, ensuring effective removal of embedded contaminants. This makes it easier to safely decontaminate your vehicle's paint. It prolongs the lifespan of your natural clay bar, ensuring you get the most out of your detailing products. This is a cost-effective choice for regular maintenance. It safely removes contaminants from shiny or clear exterior surfaces without causing scratches or swirls. This decontaminates paint, glass, and trim, keeping your vehicle's finish pristine. It restores a glass-smooth feel to your vehicle's glossy surfaces. It enhances the overall shine and prepares your paint for further protection, making your car look like new. Surprise the car enthusiast in your life with this kit. It's a thoughtful gift for maintaining a spotless, smooth finish all year round. What we like. This clay bar creates an ultra-slippery surface for effortless cleaning and extends the life of your clay bar. It's great for safely decontaminating all exterior surfaces. If you're looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to maintain your car's shine, this is the one. What people say. The clay is the perfect composition, easy enough to work, but it does not break up or disintegrate even with aggressively working at my windshield. After taking delivery of my new vehicle, I expected there to be some amount of rail dust and other contamination from the shipping process. I wasn't wrong and this worked wonders. This made quick work on a big 3-4 ton truck. Number 3. Mother's 07240 Clay Bar. Say hello to the Mother's 07240 California Gold Clay Bar system. It effortlessly removes embedded contaminants, leaving your car's paint looking its best. It's specially designed to remove embedded grains of metal, tree sap, airborne deposits, and paint overspray. This clay bar tackles even the most stubborn contaminants with ease. Unlike other clay bars, it's more pliable and less stiff, making it easier and safer to use on all paint types, including clear coats. You'll appreciate how smoothly it glides across the surface. It's gentle enough for all paint types, including delicate clear coats. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't damage your vehicle's finish. Regular use provides long-lasting benefits. It will keep your vehicle's paint looking its best for longer, saving you time and money in the long run. It adds incredible depth and clarity to your car's paint. The result is a silky smooth finish that will turn heads. What we like. It's more pliable than other clays and safe for all paint types. Regular use provides long-lasting benefits. If you want a clay bar that's gentle yet effective and delivers a silky smooth finish, this is a great option. What people say. It comes with spray liquid and 2 bars. Instructions are inside, and if you're not sure on use, just view it on YouTube. It will take away grime etc. in the paint finish. The bars are gold colored and you use just a small piece and glide it on your car in sections along with spray liquid. After your finished car is amazing looking and shiny and smooth to touch. You need to follow up right after with a good auto wax of your choice to seal the work of this product. Clay bars glide smoothly and is able to clean up my paint. If you are gonna polish and buff your car or do any kind of paint correction, you need to clay bar your car. And this is a good kit to start with. This was my first time claying my vehicle. I will say that it does what it says. I tried it on a small part of my car to test it out, and it certainly smooths the rough, presumably contaminated surface. You can hear and feel the crunchy layer being lifted away, and the paint is returned to a like-new slickness. The process also seemed to make for a much nicer finish after waxing. Number 2. IPELY Car Clay Bar. Say hello to effortlessly clean car surfaces. It's the simple solution for a sparkling finish. It's incredibly user-friendly. Just add a cleaning agent to water and you're ready to go. This clay bar works wonders on various surfaces, from paintwork and glass to metal and even carbon fiber. It's your all-in-one detailing solution. Its soft and pliable texture makes it easy to remove embedded contaminants, leaving your car looking its best. Experience a superior clean. You get 4 100G bars in one pack, providing ample cleaning power for multiple uses. It's economical and effective. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to detail your car, this is it. Get ready for that showroom shine. What we like. This clay bar is incredibly easy to use and works on various surfaces. The 4-pack provides great value. If you're a beginner or need a convenient and affordable option for multiple cleaning sessions, this is perfect for you. What people say. After using them, my car feels as smooth as glass. They're incredibly effective at removing contaminants that a regular wash just can't handle. I only needed half a bar for my full-size sedan and it's lasted through 3 washes. I used it with a proper lubricant, and the process was simple, just glide the clay over the surface and watch the stubborn spots disappear. It leaves the car's paint ready for waxing or polishing, and the results are like a professional detail job. Extremely sticky material. I used less than 1/4 of a bar to clean the neglected roof of a Toyota Matrix. It removed all kinds of sharp stuck on black spots and left a glass smooth surface, using plenty of water as a lubricant. Number 1. Chemical Guys Clay Kit. It removes embedded contaminants, leaving a mirror-smooth finish on your car. Say goodbye to imperfections. It's easy to handle and won't slip from your grip, unlike traditional clay bars. It's built to last. It works on all automotive surfaces, restoring a pristine, smooth feel to your vehicle's paint. It's perfect for any car. The included lubricant ensures smooth gliding, preventing scratches and enhancing results. It makes the detailing process effortless. 1 bar is enough for 15 to 25 vehicles. You'll get incredible value and efficiency. Get the Chemical Guys Clay Kit for a professional-grade detailing experience. It's the ultimate solution for a flawless finish. What we like. It provides a deep clean and mirror-smooth finish. The innovative design prevents dropping and is super long-lasting. If you want a clay bar that will last through many car washes, this is the one for you. What people say. Something about the clay shaves off dirt, imperfections and film so nicely, leaving a vastly smoothed and prepared surface for a finish. The best thing about it is that it can be rinsed and wiped clean as often as you'd like, giving you a fresh surface. It works quite well, though I think a heavy-duty clay bar will remove a tad bit more than this guy. And I love that if I drop it, I just need to spray it off and keep using it. I don't have to throw it away as I would with clay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.